To conduct a quality check of your course, you should use a demo student account to view content from your learner's perspective. To create a demo account in D2L, select Class List from the navigation bar, then click Create Demo Account from the drop-down menu. The system auto-generates a demo student account and adds it to your class list. To view the course from the learner's perspective, click on the down arrow below the demo student's name and then select Impersonate from the drop-down menu that appears. Confirm that you do want to log out of the instructor role to continue to the student view by selecting Yes in the dialog window. In the upper right corner, you should now see the demo student login along with the mask icon to indicate that you are currently impersonating a learner. When you have completed your quality check, you can switch back to the instructor role by clicking on the demo student name in the upper right corner and selecting the X next to the name in the drop-down menu that appears. If you wish to completely log out of the D2L system, select the Logout option at the very bottom. For now, we want to remain in impersonation mode so we can check our content and some of the work we have completed so far. Let's first check the student view for the Week 1 module and content we set up in previous tutorials. We navigate to Content, select Week 1 module from the left-hand menu. Here's our Week 1 module, and we check our content that we created in the D2L HTML editor. Do a quick quality check. Everything looks good. So now let's take a look at attendance. But before we do that, we're going to briefly switch back to instructor role in the system so we can record attendance for our demo student. Again, we leave impersonation mode by clicking on the demo student name in the upper right and clicking on the X. As you can see, we're back in instructor mode. So let's go into our attendance. Select the register for our webinar sessions. We can either use the drop-down menu to view the attendance data, or we can simply click on the register name to also access the data. When we scroll down, we see our demo student listed, and we see each of the webinar sessions that we previously set up in our attendance register. So to record attendance for our demo student, we click on the paper and pencil icon, and we simply select either P for present or A for absent, which are the default attendance settings. So we're going to say that our student was present for our Week 1 webinar session. We click Save and then Close to return back to our list of sessions, and we see that our demo student was present for the Week 1 webinar. You may recall that we previously set our cause for concern threshold to 80% attendance for the 5 sessions for this register, as you see here in the upper left-hand corner. So let's see what happens if our demo student misses the next 3 webinar sessions. I'll quickly enter attendance for a few more sessions as if they have missed each one. So as you can see, we have now logged attendance for 4 of our webinar sessions for our demo student, showing that they were present for the first one and they have missed the next 3, which is well below 80% attendance for these sessions. So let's return to our demo student role and select attendance to view what the student sees. Again, we navigate to the class list, select our demo student, and impersonate, select yes to confirm, enter into attendance. If the student clicks on the register name, they're able to see more data specifically related to each of the webinars. The instructor view also includes the ability to view this information for every student in the class. So as you can see, it is easy to quickly set up a demo student account in D2L to check your content and functions to ensure your class is ready to go prior to launch date.